Welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today I will show you how to remove a factory radio on 2010 Nissan Versa. For this job you want to use a screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver, and also even better if you have a plastic prior, so it's much easier for that, so you don't scratch the panel or any plastic that on your car. So basically what you want to do is to remove the top panel first, which is from here on the top. So what you want to wedge the front with your plastic pry bar, if you have it, just like that, and leave this here. See, I want to make sure it comes up a little bit. Leave it there and then lift it up. There you go. And that is the top panel. So once you remove the top panel, we're supported only by all the clips. So basically there's two screws here for the front panel, which one is right here on the left. Just to remove that out with the screwdriver. There's one there, and there's one on the right. Here's the second one. There you go. Alright guys, once you remove the two screws left and right, what you want to do is use your plastic pry tool or your flathead to remove the front face. So basically this should be, there's 4 clips. There's 2 on the top and 2 around right here. There's 4 total. There's a plastic clip there and like a metal clip, like I'll show you after. So what you do is you want to pry the this corner right here. At the same time, pull the thing forward. There you go. Now go to the left. Go. And that's all you need. And that is the front panel. Okay guys, once you remove the front panel, there's a wire harness here for the airbag sensor. So what you do not want to do is disconnect that, but you want to take the hole with the airbag unit, the button here. Basically, what you want to do is just push in the clip and just push this out, like the whole thing. Don't disconnect it. Here's the airbag unit. So on the right side, you actually have a wire harness button for the emergency button. So it's right here. Just push the trigger clip and then you just pull out the wire harness. So simple. Yeah, once you have to remove the front panel off, here's the radio itself, factory radio, and it's just held by 4 screws, which is 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Use a Phillips head, just remove the screws to the left first. Doesn't matter what side you want them to go, but I'll take the left side. Probably blocking you, but I need to take the screw out. Once you remove the 2 screws on the left, you want to just remove the 2 on the right. One there. Here's the second one. Go. I want to drop it. So once you remove all the screws, just pick up the radio and move it forward. There's a couple of wire harness in the back. On the back you can see this one here is a wire harness for the antenna, and that's the black one. And then also this one here is for all the like the speakers, engine, and front speaker, back speaker, and rear camera and everything. This is where the harness are. And for this here, this wire is for the power and also for the speaker wires for the front and the rear. For antenna wire harness, you just squeeze the trigger here and just pull it out, just like that. For the power and the wire speaker, you gotta actually have a trigger on the top. Just squeeze it and then pull it out. You guys, I can see this is totally empty console because of we actually removed the radio, factory radio. I can see it's empty, and we will upgrade this radio for a touchscreen double din radio, so it should be very nice looking, sharp. Hey guys, that is how you could remove a factory radio for a 2010 Nissan Versa, and I can see it's pretty empty, pretty easy to do. All you need is the what's it, plastic wedger, I guess what you can call also, and screwdriver and a flathead if necessary. Alright, thank you for watching. Also, you can actually check out my video on top above, the link up above, and see how I install the new radio, the double din radio. It's touch screen. It's very nice. So check it out. It's on the top of the link. And thank you for watching for Tech Time with T, and you have a great day. Take care. Peace out.